Hey everyone, welcome back to Study with Afia. Last time we explored the basics of factorizing algebraic expressions, also quadratic expressions. If you have not seen that video, be sure to check it out. Today we will see factorizing for three different terms as well as some more quadratic equations. Okay, so in this problem, x into x square plus 2, which is going to be multiply the brackets. So x square plus 2x and x minus 3. So now we need to open the two brackets using FOIL method. So which is going to be multiply the first terms. The first terms are x square into x and multiply the first with the last terms. Okay. So minus x square into 3 plus x square into minus 3. Then multiply the inner terms, 2x into 2x. So positive 2x into positive x, which are multiplication. Now 2x, the last terms you have to multiply, which is n. So we say this as FOIL method. So which is positive 2x into negative 3. Therefore, which is going to be x cube minus 3x square plus 2x square minus plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6x. Okay. So if you have any like terms, we can just simplify them. So which is going to be x cube. These are the two like terms we are having. Plus, minus 3x square plus 2x square become minus x square and minus 6x. So you can keep your answer in this form. Now, this is a quadratic expression. I have explained this problem in my previous video. So this is the second quadratic expression where the coefficient of x square is greater than 1. So first let's find the factors for minus 20 and 6. So the product, when we multiply minus 20 into 6, which is going to be minus 120, we need to get the factors for minus 120. When we add them, we must get positive 7. Okay. So we can choose the factors as 15 times 8. As you can see, the C is going to be negative. So the C is going to be negative and the sum sign must go to the bigger number. Okay, the sign of B must go to the bigger number. So positive 15 is the bigger number. So the other number should be negative because we are going to subtract the numbers. So factors are positive 15 and minus 8. Now, write the first term as it is and you're going to split the middle term, which is positive 15x minus 8x and minus 20. Now we have four terms in this factorizing. So group them as 2 and 2. And now 6x square and positive 15x. So we are going to take the common out. So here 3x is common and I can divide the 6x square by 3x as 2x is left. Okay, so 3x is the common factor. So if you divide 6x squared by 3x, you're going to get 2x, 15. So see 3 5s are 15. Over here, minus 4 is common here. So it will become 2x positive 5. So once again here, 2x positive 5 and 3x minus 4. If you again factorize them, and the common factor is 2x plus 5, and you have to take 3x minus 4 as inside the bracket. Okay. So in the next problem, we don't have any quadratic equation, but we need to factorize this 4 term. Okay. So if you look at this, there is no common between 3x and 8y. But if you want, you can rearrange them. You can join the like terms together. So I'm going to do that. So 3x and minus 6ax, I will write it together. And 8y minus 16ay, I will write it together. So I'm going to group the first two and the last two. So if you see here, you can factorizing, you can write it in this way. So 3 into 2 into a into x plus 8 into y minus 8 into 2 into a into y. Okay. So here 3 is common, as you can see. Also the x is common. So you're left with 1 minus 2a plus you have 8 common here, as well as you have y also common here. So you're left with the 1 minus 2a, right? So both, if you take again factorize them, it will become 1 minus 2a and 3x plus 8y. So this is the final answer of this. Now, if you look at the last question, for x squared minus 12x plus a, and you need to express them in this form, x plus b whole square. So x plus b whole square can be written in 2 times as within the, by using a bracket, x plus b and x plus b. And now using your FOIL method, I'm going to multiply the terms x into x plus x into b. So it will become x into b, positive b into x, so b into x, and then b into b plus b into b. Therefore, it becomes x square plus bx plus bx plus b square, which is x square plus 2bx plus b square, right? We have expanded. Now compare this with the given equation. So what is given to you? X square minus 12x plus a, right? So in the place of x square, we have x square. So x square, same thing. In the place of a, you have b square, right? So we are going to compare a with the b square. And in the place of 12x, we are having 2bx. So we are going to equate 2bx as minus 12x, right? Therefore, here, x and x, you can cancel them. Therefore, b is equal to minus 12 divided by 2, which is going to be negative 6. So we got the answer for b as negative 6. Therefore, a is equal to negative 6 whole square. So in the calculator, you have to place the whole square, which is going to be 36. Therefore, the answer for a is 36 and the b is going to be negative 6. So once again, we have the, so we have another term. So we have once again here four terms. So here the common factor in the first two will be x. So I'm going to write it as y minus 2. And the common term in the second, last two will be 3. So you're going to say y minus 2. Therefore, once again, y minus 2 is common. So we will take it right outside the bracket. So x plus 3. Now, this is a very hard problem. We are going to expand the bracket for the first two terms, and we are going to open the bracket for the last two terms, but it looks totally different. First two terms and the last two terms. Okay, so let's solve them using our, we will multiply x with the x. It will become x square plus, since all of the signs are positive, so it is easy to multiply. Therefore, 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 1 into 2, which is going to be 2. Plus, you can multiply from outside the bracket to inside the bracket as 2x square minus 2x into 3, which is going to be 6x. Okay. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 1x, which is going to be 3x, positive 2 plus 2x square and minus 6x. So now you have to collect all the like terms. Since you can see here, there are two like terms for x square. And since they both are positive, so we're going to add them as 3x square, positive 3x and negative 6x. It will become negative 3x and positive 2. You can stop your answer here. Hope you understand these. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon button.